Hello everyone. Today, you're going to practice your English speaking skills with a short and inspiring story. It's a great way to learn new words, improve your pronunciation, and build your confidence. The process is simple. Listen carefully to the story, repeat each part after me, and try your best to understand the meaning. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to practice speaking. Are you ready? Great. Let's begin. The story is about a young woman named Sarah who wanted to improve her English. Every day, she felt shy and nervous when she had to speak with people. It wasn't that she didn't know the words, she actually knew many. Her biggest fear was making mistakes. She worried that people would laugh or not understand her. This fear held her back from practicing and getting better. One sunny morning, Sarah woke up and decided that enough was enough. She looked at herself in the mirror and said, "I will not be afraid anymore. Mistakes are not my enemy, they are my teachers. They help me learn and grow." This simple decision to change her mindset was the first step on her journey to fluency. That very day, she decided to put her new resolution into action. She walked to a small, cozy coffee shop near her home. The warm smell of coffee beans filled the air. A friendly waiter with a kind smile approached her table and asked, "What would you like to drink?" Normally, Sarah would just point at the menu, but not today. She took a deep breath to calm her nerves, looked the waiter in the eye, and said, "I would like a cup of coffee, please." Her voice was soft, but it was clear and steady. The waiter understood her perfectly and replied with another smile, "Sure. Coming right up. Anything else for you today?" A wave of relief and happiness washed over Sarah. She smiled back, feeling a new sense of power. "No, thank you," she said, this time with much more confidence in her voice. It was just a small, simple conversation, but for Sarah, it felt like a huge victory. It was a big step forward. From that day on, Sarah made it a habit to practice English every single day. She found that listening to short stories was very helpful. She would listen to a sentence, pause the audio, and repeat it out loud. She wasn't just whispering. She spoke clearly and loudly, practicing her pronunciation and intonation. Slowly but surely, her confidence began to grow. Each small conversation, each new sentence she learned, made her feel more comfortable. After a few months of consistent practice, Sarah was no longer that shy, afraid woman. She started conversations with new people, made friends from different countries, and truly began to enjoy the process of learning English. And through it all, Sarah learned one very important lesson, a lesson that applies to learning any new skill. The more you speak, the better and more confident you become. Practice is the key. Now it's your turn. Try to tell this story yourself. Repeat the sentences and remember to practice speaking a little bit every day. You can do it. Thank you so much for listening and practicing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.